Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my top 10 tips to take your floor cleaning business to the next level in 2023 and beyond. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialise in getting guys like you, carpet cleaners, floor cleaners, tile cleaners, booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many people as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. 8. Create a customer rewards program. We're all aware of customer rewards programs, and a ton of service-based businesses have it in place, and for good reason. Having a simple discount, a referral program like we talked about earlier, and add-ons can go a long way. Incentivize and offer a reward every time your customer completes a milestone, such as providing customer testimonials or is leveraging your product regularly. Done right, rewards programs can help build customer loyalty and also increase sales. Here's the deal. We live in this world where people are lazy, people don't want to make an effort, people want things easy, people have got limited attention spans. We live in a world of like Uber and Netflix where everything's instantaneous. So if you want someone to leave you like a Google review, if you want someone to go out of their way, most people when they leave Google reviews, for example, it's normally when they want to complain, when they're really upset about something. So if you want someone to leave you like an amazing Google review, if you want them to go that extra mile, you need to incentivize them in some way. That is probably going to be the quickest way for you to collect a ton of Google reviews, a ton of referrals, to grow your business and take it to the next level organically. The best way is absolutely to incentivize your customers, and in doing so, you will grow much, 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 much faster and become a much bigger company in a shorter space of time. For example, you want to get Google reviews so that you climb to like the top, like number one on like the Google search for local businesses with the most 5-star reviews. This is how you do it. When you've cleaned the carpet or the floors, have like a checklist or something, take the customer around the house, ask them if they're happy with everything, and if they're not, this is your chance to put it right before they've had the opportunity to leave you a bad review. If there is any issues, put it right and then walk them around again and ask them, are you happy with everything now? Are you pleased with everything? Yeah, it looks great, it looks amazing, awesome. We're a local business in the community. We survive on good reviews and customer loyalty. It would absolutely mean the world to me that before I leave today, if you wouldn't mind just writing a couple of words and leaving us a Google review. If you do, when you book your next carpet cleaning, I'll throw an extra room in. Or if you do, I'll knock $30 off the bill. Whatever. Again, have some kind of incentive that people are actually going to want to take up. Not something rubbish that doesn't really mean anything. Something that sits up and gets people to take notice. And if it's like a discount or an extra thing on their next carpet cleaning, you can then say, look, should we get you scheduled in now while I'm here? What you want to do is have like a tablet or a phone with you. Get them to leave the review right then and there. Say, here you go. Do you mind just like logging in here and just leaving a quick review? If you do it, if we can get it done now, I'm going to knock off $30 off your next carpet cleaning. Really? Wow. Amazing. Yeah, sure thing. You've done a great job. I'd be happy to do it. Amazing. Cool. Shall I get you scheduled in for our next visit while I'm here? It's only preliminary. If you need to reschedule it at a later date, that's absolutely fine. No worries. Yeah, okay, why not? How about we do April? Cool, great. Oh, and by the way, we have an amazing referral scheme. I'm going to give you these 5 business cards. I'll give you 10. Here you go. 10 business cards. Hand them out to your friends. Tell them to mention your name if they book on the booking form. And if 4 people schedule, your next carpet cleaning is actually going to be free of charge. I'm not going to charge you anything. If you can get 4 people to sign up with me, take that. And now you just left that person's property with a great Google review. You've got them scheduled in for their next appointment and you've incentivized them to send you a bunch of referrals whilst you're in the home. So creating an amazing rewards program, incentivizing your clients and customers is honestly key to a successful floor cleaning business. Number 9, always respond to reviews online. It goes without saying that most potential customers looking for a carpet cleaning company will check reviews of a business online. It's always a good practice to respond professionally to both positive and negative online reviews promptly as a tactic for reputation management. And if in case of a positive review, it's all straightforward. If you've got a positive review, it's all great. You just have to say thank you and that you're looking forward to coming back to clean their carpets next time or whatever. With negative reviews, a lot of business owners that I've seen tend to switch onto the defensive mode and get aggressive expensive and all of that. And that's where the attitude has to change. In your response, you have to stay professional and you've got to keep the emotions in check. Thank them for the review and promise to solve any issues and improve your services if needed. This shows that your carpet cleaning business is responsive and eager to deliver a top-notch customer experience. Number 10, connect on social media. We all know that social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter aren't just for socializing. They're also perfect for finding your ideal clients in places where they spend time online. It's easy to get started on social media. Here is how. Create business profiles, set up a Facebook business page, Instagram page, Twitter. You can also explore, like I said, newer platforms like TikTok, especially if you live in a student area. Post engaging content, share original content on a regular basis to keep followers interested. This could be before and after shots of the carpet being cleaned or the floor being cleaned, blog post links, special deals, promotions, offers, tips and tricks for homeowners to keep their carpets cleaner for longer, client testimonials, video testimonials, and so on. Number 3, explore videos. Videos are an effective and engaging option for advertising your floor cleaning business. They're also simple to produce. If you have a phone, most phones these days have a decent camera. That is literally all you need. You can introduce your company, show a job in progress, and share cleaning tips. Keep the video short and sweet and include a friendly face, whether that's you or an employee. Video, effectively, when it comes to social media, digital marketing, video is the number one creative that basically kicks ass right now on social media. It performs way better than still images. It captures people's attention. Short form videos in particular perform best. Again, people have got limited attention spans. So if you put a 1-minute video up, people are not going to watch it. But 10 seconds, you cleaning the carpet, a before and after shot, a 10 seconds client testimonial. Oh my God, these guys were incredible. I highly recommend them. Get your carpet cleaned by them now. Short 10, 15, 20, 25-second videos is where it's at. You don't need any fancy equipment. Your phone is good enough. And there's so many apps and stuff that you can download now to make the videos look amazing. There really isn't any excuse. Number 4, invest in paid advertising. Social media advertising lets you target your ideal clients. You can control your campaign budget and observe results and make adjustments on the fly. So look, here's the deal when it comes to paid advertising on social media. A lot of these social media channels have monetized their platforms by offering paid advertising. And so what that means is that organically, you're going to reach a certain number of people with your organic posts. And it's definitely worth, and you definitely need to have an organic presence. But ultimately, if you really want to leverage social media and take things to that next level, it's a pay to play platform. And that's how they make money, by getting you to pay to reach your customers. That is something, as I've said before, that we can help you with. This is what we specialize in. We specialize in digital marketing on Facebook, Instagram, and all that for the floor cleaning industry, in particular the carpet cleaning industry. So if you're watching this and you want someone to come on board and do all this for you so that you don't have to, you can just go away and book jobs and do the work and get paid, then reach out to us because we'd love to hear from you. Bonus, grow your competitive advantage. Learning and analyzing your competitors is critical to be able to explain the benefits your customers will receive after purchasing your services. As a business owner, you should always ask yourself a question: how is my floor cleaning business better than my competitors? And you should always aim to develop your competition advantage. The range of questions and challenges for yourself as a business owner is: what is my competition selling their products and what are their claims? What are the benefits they are selling and how are their services different to mine? How can I get better? And ultimately, you want to position yourself as a unique business amongst all of your competitors. You really want to position yourself to stand out from the crowd. And so go and look into that. Go and give that some thought. What can I do? What can I add to my customer's experience? What services can I add? How can I pitch or position my business so the perception to the customer is that we are above everybody else out there, so that you get the competitive advantage? Final thoughts: do not let stale selling strategies foul up your year or quarter. It's 2020. 2023, and it's of the utmost importance to keep up with the latest sales and marketing trends to improve sales, infuse new life into your existing sales process by practicing new techniques listed in this video. In doing so, you'll not only access greater heights in your role, but also nurture a strong sales team, enhance close rates, and foster long-lasting connections with your customers who feel appreciated, and thus this will boost sales. If you're looking to improve your sales, if you're looking to get more jobs for your floor cleaning business, jump on a call with us, AGB, and we will help you get to where you want to be in 2023 and beyond. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary links for more information and to book a call with us. See you on the next one. Cheers.